river. It was best known for its beautiful hanging gardens. So three questions are there which can be asked. So the answer is Babylon. B-A-B-Y, B-A-B-Y-L-O-N, Babylon. Next, sixth one. Located in the northwestern Pakistan, this ancient city prospered because it stood at the junction of three great trade routes. It was important. It was an important Buddhist center, and it is Takshila. Taxila. Takshila. Okay. Next, this ancient city was built around 2600 BC in the present day Pakistan. It is now in Pakistan. It is one of the best planned cities with around 35,000 residents. And you have heard about it. It is Mohenjo-daro. Write down M-O-H-E-N. You will be studying about it in history also. Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro. Then, next, Dishant Jaiswal, your speaker is on. Please put it off. Then, located on the mountain ridge above the Urubamba Valley, it is often called the lost city of Incas. Again, important. So here you have the answer is Machu Picchu. And Machu Picchu is also where you have heard about it. Anyone? What is important about it? Anyone? Yes? Children, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes.
One of the ancient wonders of the world. Okay. Next, a vast temple in Cambodia, which features the main remains of several capitals of the Khmer Empire. And the answer is Angkor. A-N-G-K-O-R. A-N-G-K-O-R. Then 16 we have already done. Now we'll be talking about the 17th, page number 17. Please write down today's date on page number 17 also. Now, which fort in Jodhpur has a museum which documents the rich history of Rathors? Important. And the answer is Mehrangarh Fort. M-A-H-R-A-N M-E-H-R-A-N-G-A-R-H. And then fort, you know, F-O-R-T. Next, which fort in Madhya Pradesh has two main palaces, the Man Mandir Palace and the Gurjari Mahal? It is Gwalior Fort. Gwalior Fort. Next, third one. A clap at which fort in Telangana can be heard a kilometer away in the Bala Hisar Pavilion? And the answer for this is Golconda Fort. Golconda Fort. Then, next is fourth one. Which fort stands proudly on the Tripura hill in the Thar Desert? And for this, the answer is Jaisalmer Fort. J-A-I-S-A-L-M-E-R. Jaisalmer Fort. Next, fifth one. At which fort in India can you see the two distinct pillars, Kirti Stambh and Vijay Stambh? Just a minute, children. Yes, the answer for this is Chittorgarh Fort. Chittorgarh. Chittorgarh Fort. Then, sixth one. From which fort in Jaipur can you make a magnificent view of the Mauta Lake? And the answer is Amer Fort. Amer Fort. Next. Which fort was built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in the Malvan town of Maharashtra? And for this, the answer is Sindhugarh Fort. Sindhugarh Fort. Next, which fort in Bikaner, Rajasthan, was originally called Chintamani? Now this is important. Another name for Chintamani, and that is Junagarh Fort. Junagarh Fort. Junagarh. Junagarh, and then Fort. Next. Which fort in Rajasthan was the birthplace, important, of Maharana Pratap, the great king and warrior of Mewar? And for this, the answer is Kumbhalgarh Fort. Kumbhal, Kumbhal, and then Garh, Garh, Garh Fort. Moving on to the last one, that is 10th one. The 1,000-pillar temple in the chief attraction of this fort in Telangana. So how many pillars? Thousands of pillars. And the answer is Warangal Fort. Warrangal. Warangal Fort. Next, move on to page number 18 and 19. Please write down the date. We'll be doing this also. And here, do not write the answer because the answers are given. So right now, just mark the answers. Later, in nice, beautiful handwriting, you can copy them in front of the question. You'll draw lines, straight line using scale, and then you'll write the answers. So here we have some clues about some of the important animals, and we are going to identify them by the clues that are given. Okay, so the first one, which is the world's largest snake? You must be knowing it, and that is anaconda. So please mark anaconda as the first one. That is C in the answer box. Then, the roar of this animal can be heard up to 2 miles away. And for this, the answer is Bengal tiger. Bengal tiger. Third one. This marine animal can generate shocks of 650 volts. Imagine an animal doing that. If you touch, it can create shocks. It can give you shock. And the answer is eel. Eel is the answer for this one. Then the fourth one, name the largest rodent in the world which lives near water bodies. This is what you're not aware of, and it is capybara. Capybara. Please keep marking the answers so that later you can write. Next, fifth one, name the third largest species of cat in the world, which is mainly found in the rainforest of Central and South America. Any guesses? Species of cat. It belongs to cat family. Jaguar. Yes.
Jaguar.
With the same. Yes. Jaguar is the answer. Then, sixth one. They are the forest-dwelling lizards with excellent sight. They are lizards, and the answer is iguana. Iguana. Next, seventh one. It is a colorful parrot found in the rainforest of South America. It has a large beak and long tail. This you will be studying in your biology also. Fine. Not biology, sorry, in physics, in adaptation. And the answer is macaw. Macaw is the answer. Then 8th one, this monkey's tail is longer than its body. The answer is spider monkey. Spider monkey. Then 9th one, they are large reptiles with narrow bodies. The answer is caiman. Caiman. Then the next one, 10th one, it is the largest butterfly in the world with a wingspan of around 25 centimeters. So that is the measure of its wing. And the answer is Queen Alexandra's birdwing butterfly. Queen Alexandra's birdwing butterfly. Next, 11th one. A large flightless bird with a large body, colored feathers, and a huge crest. And the answer is cassowary. Cassowary. Next, we'll be talking about the 12th one. They are thought to be the most intelligent animals on the planet. Very important. And the answer is chimpanzees. They resemble us also. Chimpanzee. 13. These brightly colored birds have tail feathers. They are up to 3 feet long. And the answer is quetzal. Quetzal. Next is 14. They are slow mammals that spend most of their lives hanging upside down from the tree branches. And for this, the answer is sloth. Sloth is the answer. 15. This flying lizard can glide half the length of a football field and still land perfectly. So this is dragon, flying dragon. Then 16. It is small rainforest bird with a fast, sharp sound. Important one. Xenop. Xenop. 17. Found in the rainforest of South, North and Central America, the call of this monkey can be heard up to 3 miles away. And the monkeys howl, you know. So, howler monkey is the answer. 18. They are rare, small, slender, long arm, tree-dwelling apes. So when the word apes come, the answer should be clear to you. Mainly found in the forest of Asia. The answer is gibbon. Gibbon is the answer. And then we talk about the last one. These are nocturnal. That means they are active during the night. Amphibians that are named after their large, bulging red eyes. This also you'll be studying in physics in the same chapter that we're doing. Adaptation, and the answer is red-eyed tree frog. Red-eyed tree frog. Fine, children. Now just make sure that you draw a straight line using scale in front of the question, and you write the correct answer in that place that you'll be drawing the line there, and you are going to learn these pages also. This is your homework, that you are going to learn the pages that we have done today. Fine. Okay, children. So this is how we have come to the end of the class. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.